Hello and welcome to this video on the new IQONIC Trading Tools products. This is a rebrand of the old ECA, and basically what they've done is shut down that brand and changed it all over to IQ to fit some of the more crypto related products. But essentially the products that I'm going to be covering right now are the same products from the ECA. So feel free to check out the other videos on the C to D strategy and some of the other Manara Trading Tool videos that I've covered on how they work. It's very much the same tool, but I'm just going to take you through how you actually explore that in this video from this dashboard. So you've got the IQONIC dashboard here, iconic.life, and you can go digital products. You've got ECA, which is the academy where you can go and learn all about trading. Lots of videos and content in there. You've got the Solexx app. So I'm going to just show you the ECA quickly. So basically it takes you to another page which you can go and log into. I believe you use the same access token. I'm just going to get out of that. We've got also the Solexx, which is basically the trading app where it sends you alerts and information, but you don't actually trade on Solexx app or with IQONIC. So IQONIC isn't a broker. So if you might have seen in the past, people said the broker has taken my money, IQONIC or ECA is not real. They're not actually a broker. They don't hold your money. So just be aware that the broker you choose is quite important here. These guys aren't the broker. They're just providing information on financial markets. So this is where you come to get the Solexx app. There's a video in the description below that talks about the Solexx app as well and how it works. And finally, we've got the Manara tool. This is my favorite one. You can simply click Access Manara. It will take you to the scanner. I'll just put in my pin. Okay, so it puts you on a chart to start with, but if you go notification, you'll see all of the recent patterns. You can change the settings if you only want to use the monthly or 4 hour or 5 minute. You can unselect, say, the 5 minute. So you can see the bigger time frames. Let's unselect the 15 as well, see what comes up most recently. So we've got a 1 hour pattern here at the top, which is the most recent one that's come up, AUD USD. We'll click on that. It'll take us over to the setup. It's hit the C area. It has retraced a fairly decent amount. I guess the intention was that it was going to hit down here before the entry according to these charts and then retrace back to hit these targets. And obviously you don't want it to go below the stop loss here. What's actually happened is it had a little retrace, probably about, say, 60% or more of this candle itself, before then turning back around and continuing on that upward trend. We'll have a look at the USD Japanese yen as well. We can see here we've hit the C pattern, we've come short, hit that C, and it's now retracing long as expected or anticipated. So it's going from this C point, hopefully up to this D point, and then this provides a trade setup idea. Often I'll be looking for these C to D moves because, as we can see, we've tapped it and we're already heading in the right direction. We saw a similar price action from the AUD USD, got a very nice retracement. So had people have moved their stops to break even in this sort of first hour of getting short, they would have been at least in a break even or better position. Anyone holding that trade now would obviously be out of the money for the moment. So it's as simple as that. On your IQONIC dashboard, all you do is click on digital products, click on the Manara tool, and then access the Manara tool, and it brings up this page. In order to purchase your access to the Manara Trading Tool, what you do is click the link in the description below or on this video. It will take you to the purchase page. It looks like this. So if you swipe to get started or click, it brings up all of the different products that you can actually access. So we've got here Elite Regular, ECA, Manara, and Solexx, which is what I believe I have. So you can either go month by month. First time is a little bit more and then it decreases in price. I believe this is all in USD. You can buy 3 months or 6 months. I've done the 6 months because it just is a little bit easier to manage for me. You can also add on these extra products. So you can add Swipe to Trade, Plutos, or IQverse, or any combination of those if you choose to. Alternatively, you can go the Elite Crypto Monthly, which gives you the IQverse, and you can add on, for example, Manara on top of that. So that's all about crypto products. You've also got Elite Pro Crypto Monthly, which gives you the ECA, Manara, and IQverse in one pack. So for example, the 129 plus the 50 brings you to $180 thereabouts. So you're better off going the Elite Pro if you want the Manara as well as the IQverse. just as a little note. Or you've got the Elite Pro pack, which covers a huge range of different products, but then you've also got to add on the IQ Verse for $70 a month if you choose this one. If you want the crypto IQ Verse package, it's just about picking what's going to work best for you versus what other products you want to use. But here's all the pricing and access. I've just got the Elite Regular. My main focus is generally the Manara tool, but I do a few tutorials on the Solexx. I don't really like taking trade alerts personally. I like to analyze the market, get an idea, and then trade it how I like. You can obviously do that with the Solexx as well, but it's more designed for people that are just looking to take information and place it into the market without thinking too much or doing their own analysis. Then you just go continue. Once you've selected the pack, it says who referred you, put in global finance trading, and then submit that. Now you can either become an affiliate, which is basically referring other people to come and purchase the product, and you get paid a certain amount for each sale, or you can become a customer. For most of you, you'll probably just be becoming a customer to use, say, the Manara tool or the Solexx app. So let's just say continue as customer, and you've got a range of information here to fill out. Once you've filled in your user information, name, email, phone, it'll take you over to the billing, and then it will confirm your order. You'll be able to jump in and use the IQONIC dashboard and the products within it. If you enjoyed this video or took something positive from it, please hit the like button below. It lets me know this is helping others. To see more great content like this, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay updated with the latest.